Hi everyone, it's Joy, the Director of Education at PBS Reno, and today I have a joyful moment to share with you. We're gonna make a galaxy in a bottle. So what you're gonna need is you're gonna need a bottle with a lid, and take the lid off, and you're going to add a little bit of water. That's about enough for now. Then I'm gonna use cotton balls, and I'm gonna squish my cotton balls in there. Several of them. There we go. Now I'm gonna mix in some paint. I grabbed the paint that I had that reminded me of the night sky. I got blue, purple, and white. If you have black, that might be a good color too, or whatever else reminds you of the night sky. So I'm gonna squish some purple paint in there, and then I'm gonna add some glitter. Oh, so pretty. Lots of glitter. Then I'm gonna make more layers of this. I'm gonna add more cotton balls. You can use any size jar that you want. This was just an old water bottle that I had that I didn't need anymore. If you need to push the cotton balls down, you can use a spoon or a stick or whatever is long enough to get your stuff squished down in there. Then I'm gonna add a little bit more water. And more paint. This time I'm gonna use blue. And then, you guessed it, more glitter. And we're gonna just keep making layers of this until our jar is nice and full. All right, I'm gonna do more water. I'm gonna do more cotton balls. There we go. I'm gonna push them down with my spoon. Really get those cotton balls in there. Then I'm gonna do some more color. I think I'm gonna do a little bit of white this time. Maybe even a little white mixed with some purple. Mix things up a little bit. Now, a galaxy is made up of gases, dust, and lots of stars. So we're making a beautiful night sky galaxy in this bottle. Do you know what the name of our galaxy is? We live in the Milky Way galaxy. All right, I'm gonna squish those down. I think I'm gonna add a little bit more water. I'm gonna add some more glitter. And then I think I'm gonna end with a little bit of blue. Maybe mixed with a little purple. I'm really liking the purple today. All right, then I'm gonna put my lid on. And look at this galaxy, it's beautiful. You can even shake it up a little bit and see what happens as the things mix together. This is so beautiful. If you want to do more fun activities, you should check out our website at pbsreno.org. Thanks for joining me. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to see more joyful moments. And you can find other fun activities at pbsreno.org.